Are you trying to lose weight, putting in the energy to be good, but still feel stuck and stagnant with your weight loss? Guess what? You can eat foods that make your body feel good and lose weight. Today, I'll share healthy and sustainable ways that you can lose weight and feel fantastic. I'll start out with some things that worked for me personally, and then I'll share some things that have worked for the mamas that I work with. Be sure to stay till the end because the last tip may surprise you. Are you ready to feel fantastic? Let's go. I'm Chardell, a registered dietitian nutritionist and cheerleader for mamas of a child with a rare disease or disability who want to take better care of themselves so they can take better care of their child. If you're a rare mama or a mama to a disabled child who wants to lose weight and get healthy, be sure to grab my Rare Mama's Guide to Weight Loss and Daily Checklist. I'll link it up above and down below. My favorite way to lose weight and feel fantastic, this is the one I start all of my clients with, is to make an inventory. Inventory the foods you eat and notice how it makes you feel. There is no need to go super restrictive when you're trying to lose weight. It's just not necessary. Plenty of people lose weight just by making a few small changes to the foods they eat. There is no need to add judgment here. Just write down the food you eat. Think of it like a supplies inventory at work, right? You say, we have 2 packs of pens and 1 ream of copy paper. Do the same thing with your food. Just write down, I ate an apple with peanut butter on whole wheat toast. Listen, it's easy for you to identify foods that don't make you feel good, right? Like, I'm sure you could tell me what foods make you feel bloated, which foods make your stomach turn, which foods give you heartburn, but often you can forget to notice when something makes you feel good. Like really good. And that's probably because you feel so good that you're off to tackle the next thing. This assignment isn't difficult, it just takes a little bit of attention. This means you need to pay attention when you're eating and really check in with your body and ask yourself these questions. Do I have energy? Do I feel satiated? Do I feel a little bit sick? Then make a note of how you feel and look for patterns. Quick side note here, eating food that makes you feel good is different than eating food that makes you feel numb. When you've had a day that is filled with overwhelm, frustration, stress, anger, and you think to yourself, I deserve a treat for making it through the day, you're not actually seeking out a food that makes you feel good. What you're doing is trying to numb those emotions that have built up throughout the day. Drinking alcohol or eating a really sugary dessert is what you do when you're looking to ease those emotions. It takes the edge off, but it doesn't make you feel better. When you're writing your list, I want you to make sure that you put foods on there that really genuinely make you feel good, not numb. No list that says beer, double dipped chocolate fudge cake, and cinnamon hot tamales. The last one's my favorite. That's me. If you want to know more about eating foods that make you feel numb, let me know in the comments and I can make a video on that for you. But right now, back to your assignment. Write down the foods that genuinely make you feel good inside of your body. More alert, more energized, more focused. I really love how energized I feel when I consistently eat whole grains. Not just once in a while, but consistently. My stomach feels good, I have energy, and I'm not constantly hungry or looking for a sugar fix. Another great way to lose weight and feel fantastic is to add in the good stuff. This is the way that worked best for me personally. When my own health was at its lowest, when I was constantly at either a doctor, therapy, or specialist appointment for Benjamin, when I hit my breaking point, something has to change. This is where I started. This is the thing that helped me the most, adding the good stuff in. I know it sounds counterintuitive to weight loss because I'm telling you to eat more food, but eating more of the foods that make you feel good and really nourish your body is what is going to make you feel better. Restrictive diets that have you eating like 1,000 calories a day aren't going to make you feel better and they aren't sustainable long term. Eating more nourishing foods will make you feel better. It certainly helped me feel better. You can use that list from your inventory of foods that make you feel better and just add more of those foods in to what you're already eating. I'm talking whole grains, fruits and vegetables, lean sources of protein, and healthy fats. These foods offer foundational building blocks for your body. The foods you eat become what your body uses to build body cells, repair body cells, and help you function at your best. If you want to know an easy way to add the good stuff in, try my meal planning guide. I'll link it down below. This is a free download, and I've had people tell me that they've lost a few pounds just by implementing what's in this download. So definitely grab it if you haven't yet. The next way to lose weight and feel fantastic is to drink enough water to stay hydrated. Are you surprised? Honestly, this one is at the top of the list for most of my clients. They start drinking enough water and they notice a difference in how they feel pretty quickly. You may think it isn't a big deal, but it is. My clients tell me that drinking more water helps them to have more energy and feel better. Plus, it really helps my brain. It helps you think better and more clearly. Studies show that it helps with weight loss. I suggest that you aim for 5 glasses of water a day, around 12 ounces each, and be sure to space them out throughout the day. Don't guzzle them all at once, or you'll have to be right back. You really need to identify the foods that make you feel good, add them in along with other good stuff, and stay hydrated. If you want to lose weight and feel fantastic in a healthy and sustainable way, this is where you need to start. These 3 suggestions are the perfect place to start because you can do this even if you're a super busy mama. They are simple and easy things you can do right now to start losing weight and feel fantastic. If you really want me to help you along the way, I do have coaching available where we work one-on-one and we make a plan that is unique to you. Go to chardellbuchanan.com to check that out. Be sure to subscribe and get notified for my next video, which is on how I fit in self-care even when I'm exhausted. If this was helpful for you, it would be helpful for me if you let me know and give it a like.